WLBT. We leave you now at noon with a look at our last night's spectacular fireworks show at the Empire Truck Sales down on Highway 49 in Richland, shot by Jim Duncan.